Welcome. In front of me is a Garmin Fenix 8 and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at this watch. Now I also want to add that this is the 43mm variant, as there is also a 51 which is slightly bigger. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Oh, we do have a pull tab. There we go. I'm trying to figure out which one is the power button, but oh, there we go, it's actually turning on, I think. Oh, there we go, we can actually see something happening. Now taking a look at the watch while it's booting up, as you can see it is a pretty chunky watch. I actually have a bit dated watch, but still one at least that I can compare. So this is the Oppo watch, the first generation one I think, and just as a comparison in terms of thickness, you can kind of see that it is, if I even take those off, it is a bit thicker compared to the actual Oppo watch. So anyway, let's take a look at it now that it most likely booted up. There we go. So we have a little bit of a vibration. Feels okay, nothing really like super great. It's trying to be haptic feedback. It's a little bit short on there, but it still tries. I also have a pretty decent watch strap that comes applied, and this is a traditional one, so you can just kind of get rid of this one somehow. There we go. So as you can see, there we go, we have these actual like railings, or however you want to call them, for a normal watch or strap itself, and you can just hopefully take that off and just swap it out. The straps that come here, as you can see, you just loop around and they have like this hook that you pull in. There we go. So it works pretty well. Now one thing that I find unfortunate that Garmin still does is the charging. So not only is it not like wireless or anything like that, they have this weird plug right here that you just connect to the bottom, and it's not magnetic or anything like that. You just cram it in there and that's it. So it's at the bottom, it's in this garbage-ass position, I would say. As you can see, it's not a very good position for a charging port. Would have been better if they just finally adapted to like these normal, pucks that you place it on and it charges. But instead you get this outdated looking garbage. So this is the least good thing about the watch itself. So yeah, there we go. You can see the screen right here. It is a pretty decent sized screen, and putting it on my petite little hands, let's see how that looks like. So there we go. Now the little however you want to call this thing, this part does have piece sticking out, so it catches between the loops itself of the belt, so it shouldn't be sliding off easily at all. So that's pretty good. The watch itself, at least for my stature, seems to be pretty decent. And one thing that I just found out, it looks like there is a flash right here, which is a pretty neat place to put a flash. But yeah, there we go. on the other side, you can just see. Now I am very skinny, so having a watch like this is not very good for me, as when bending my hand it just kind of digs into to my bones. So yeah, but nonetheless, seems like a solid watch. Anyway, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.